In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or void documents in DocuSign. If you've sent a document with the wrong file, the wrong recipient, or you simply need to stop the signing process and resend an updated version, voiding the envelope is the correct action in DocuSign. Voiding immediately halts signing, prevents access for recipients, and records why the document was canceled. Start by going to DocuSign.com and signing in to your account. Make sure you're using the account that originally sent the document, because only the sender or someone with the right permissions can void an envelope. Once you're in, look along the top menu and select Manage. This area is your dashboard for all envelopes, sent, in progress, completed, and more. Think of an envelope as the container that holds your document and routing details. If you have a lot of activity, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by status or recipient. Next, locate the envelope you want to cancel and click it to open its details. This page shows who has been asked to sign, the current status, and a timeline of activity. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct envelope by checking the title, recipients, and status. It's always best to double check before canceling because this action is permanent. When you're ready, look for the void button, typically in the upper right area of the envelope details page. Click it. DocuSign will prompt you to enter a reason. Keep the message clear and professional because recipients will receive a notification and may see this note. Examples include incorrect document uploaded or updated contract will be sent. Short, direct reasons help everyone understand what changed and what to expect next. After you've entered the reason, confirm by selecting Void. The envelope status will update to voided, recipients will no longer be able to access or sign the document, and a record of the action and reason will remain in the audit trail. If you need to send a corrected version, return to your home or manage area, start a new envelope, attach the right file, and send it to the appropriate recipients. A few quick tips to keep in mind. You can't void an envelope that's already completed, and if you don't see the void option, you may not have the necessary permissions, or the document may already be finalized. Voiding is final, so always confirm the envelope details before proceeding. That's it. Sign in, open Manage, select the envelope, click Void, add your reason, and confirm.